Hello there, I'm Ignas Baranauskas, and today I will show you an example of how to work with Kuadrant metrics and Grafana to monitor the health and performance of your system. Let's take a closer look at our architecture that enables efficient monitoring and management of your system. Let's dive into our architecture, which consists of a well-structured diagram with two main components, the control plane and the data plane. At the foundation of our architecture lies the data plane. This layer is responsible for executing the core functions of your system. Within each cluster, we have the Gateway API provider. It is a powerful service mesh that facilitates secure communication and load balancing between services. Alongside the Gateway API provider, we have Prometheus. Prometheus is our monitoring and alerting tool, collecting metrics and data from our applications. Above, we have the control plane, orchestrating and overseeing the entire operation. At the apex of our architecture stands the hub cluster. This cluster serves as the central command center, coordinating all activities within the system. Here we find three pivotal components: Thanos Receiver, Thanos Query, and Grafana. First in line is Thanos Receiver. It acts as a gateway for receiving metrics data from all the data plane clusters. Think of it as a collector of information, bringing it all together in one place for analysis. Once the data is centralized, we need a way to query and make sense of it. Thanos Query allows us to explore this data, ask questions, and retrieve valuable insights. It's like a brain of our system, processing queries and delivering results. Finally, we have Grafana. It is our visualization and dashboarding tool, providing a user-friendly interface to display metrics and performance data. It takes the information from Thanos Query and presents it in a way that's easy to understand, enabling us to monitor and manage our systems effectively. Kuadrant brings together Gateway API and Open Cluster Management to help you scale, load balance, and secure ingress gateways as a key part of your application's connectivity in a single or multi-cluster environment. In this demonstration, we'll focus on setting up and using metrics to gain insights into your application's behavior and performance. Before we dive into metrics, make sure you have completed the initial Getting Started guide for Kuadrant. If you haven't done that yet, please refer to the guide available at the following link. After you have followed the Getting Started guide, here's a link to the metrics walkthrough we'll be following. Now let's get started with setting up the metrics. It's a crucial step to monitor and troubleshoot your microservices effectively. To establish metrics, please follow these steps. Open your terminal and execute the following script. This script will initiate the setup process for your metrics configuration. After the script finishes running, you will receive two important URLs. In this section, we'll guide you through monitoring your system's operational status using Grafana and Thanos. To begin, you can generate traffic to your application using curl command. Open your terminal and execute the following command. Next, access the Thanos user interface by entering the provided URL into your web browser. Inside the Thanos UI, locate the query box and input the following query. After entering the query, click Execute. You'll see the response in the table view and the visual representation in the graph view, displaying data over time. To monitor the rate of requests per second for each workload, use this query in the graph view. This graph helps you understand the rate of requests for each workload, which is crucial for load balancing. To observe the rate of requests across all clusters, utilize this query. This graph provides insights into rate of request for different pods. Now let's explore how to access the Grafana dashboard to view operational metrics and status. Access the Grafana dashboard by entering the provided URL for the Grafana UI into your web browser. Note that the default login credentials for Grafana are admin. You may need to accept the non-CA signed certificate to proceed. Using the left sidebar in the Grafana UI, navigate to Dashboards, browse, and select the desired dashboard, such as the Istio Workload dashboard, MGC SRE dashboard, or any of the Gateway API state dashboards. The Istio Workload dashboard is designed to provide insights into the performance and behavior of your Istio workloads. It helps you monitor Istio-related metrics for your workloads. You can observe various workload-related metrics, including request rates, response times, and error rates. This dashboard is especially valuable for understanding how Istio is handling traffic to and from your microservices. The MGC SRE dashboard is tailored for real-time insights and visualizations of resources managed by multi-cluster gateway controller. These resources may include DNS policy, TLS policy, DNS record, and more. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of the status and performance of resources managed by multi-cluster gateway controller. It helps site reliability engineers monitor and troubleshoot the critical components of the multi-cluster gateway infrastructure. The Gateways dashboard focuses on real-time insights and visualizations related to gateways. Gateways plays a crucial role in routing traffic into your clusters, and this dashboard helps you monitor their health and configuration. Here you can find information about gateway listeners, listener status, gateway status, addresses, and attached routes. Monitoring these aspects is essential for ensuring the proper functioning of your gateway infrastructure. The Gateway Classes dashboard organizes gateways based on their respective gateway classes. Gateway classes define the features and behavior of the gateways. This dashboard helps you understand the characteristics of each class. It offers insights into gateway classes and their supported features. By monitoring this dashboard, you can ensure each class aligns with your desired configuration and behavior. The HTTP route dashboards or its counterparts for the other route types focuses on the routes configured within the gateways. Routes determine how traffic is directed to specific destinations. Monitoring them is essential for routing and traffic management. This dashboard provides detailed insights into route configuration, including targeted parent references and attached parent references. It helps you understand how routes are structured and associated with their respective resources, aiding in effective traffic routing and management. Thank you for tuning in to explore the remarkable capabilities of the Grafana dashboard in conjunction with Kuadrant metrics. We trust that these demonstrations have equipped you with valuable insights into optimizing your system's performance and ensuring its seamless operation. And remember, we're here to assist you every step of the way. If you have any questions, encounter challenges, or simply wish to discuss any of the topics covered in today's demonstration, please feel free to connect with us on Slack.